If you new in our channel, make sure you have subscribe our channel. Hello everyone, welcome to Mr. Solution. Today we learn how to fix recovery is not Seandroid enforcing. This method work for almost Samsung model phone. Check your phone model. My phone mode number is J701F. So I download J701F firmware. Put your phone into download mode. To enter download mode, power off your Samsung phone. Press and hold volume down key plus home key plus power key at the same time. Press volume up to continue. Insert USB cable from your computer. Check Samsung USB driver install correctly. You can download Samsung USB driver. Check link in description. Open Odin Flash Tools. Select app file. AP file is Samsung firmware file. You can download from Google by your phone model number. Make sure your phone edit correctly. Click start. Now wait 3 or 5 minutes. After firmware update done, you can see pass in Odin Tools. Please hit the like button and share this video. If you have any question, please comment in comment section. Thanks for watching my tutorial. I will see you next tutorial. Have a good day.